In today's video, I'll teach you how to find Golden Corral promo code. So if you want to find the promo code of Golden Corral, it is actually very simple. All you have to do is simply go to the websites and platforms that provide you the promo codes for various stores. Here I'm just going to go to Simply Codes. For that, click on the search bar and type in simplycodes.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Simply Codes. You'll be able to find the promo codes for various stores over here. So what you have to do is simply click on the search icon that you can see right over here. Now what you have to do is simply search for Golden Corral. Press enter. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find this option for Golden Corral and click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to another interface. Now over here, you'll be able to see all the promo codes available for Golden Corral over here. You'll be able to find the options like 20% off, 30% off, etc. What you have to do is simply find the offer that you like the best. After you do that, click on this option, show code, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the new tab. Now in this tab, you'll be able to find the code. You can copy this code by simply clicking on this option, copy. Now after you do that, the promo code will be copied and you'll be able to use it during the checkout in Golden Corral. So like this, you'll be able to find the promo code. So that is how you find Golden Corral promo code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.